Manufactured at Gardner Denver's Center of Excellence for Screw Compressor Technology in Simmern, Germany, the CompAir 30 to 45 kilowatt range exceeds customers' expectations for quality, reliability, and, most importantly, efficiency. Staff are trained to the highest possible standards when manufacturing this leading rotary screw compressor series. Mixed model lines and flexible staff planning ensure the assembly process is optimized to drive productivity and reduce lead times for customers. The site uses continuous flow production systems to help further increase output and ensure operations are streamlined. Meanwhile, Gardner Denver's ongoing investment in this facility ensures staff are working with the very latest technology throughout the manufacturing process. This commitment means Gardner Denver is able to deliver the most efficient, cost-effective, and robust air compressors, leading the way for customers seeking a solution in the 30 to 45 kilowatt range.